Anyone who has ever installed drip irrigation tubing onto connectors and devices has experienced the struggle, especially if the temperature is below 60 or 70 degrees. Even when it's warm, it can be a significant struggle. Sometimes it can be almost impossible to push the tubing fully over the barbs of standard connectors, and that can put the connection at risk of failure. Sprinkler system installations that use flex pipe, sometimes called funny pipe, can be even more difficult to install the connectors to full depth, and in cooler weather, forget about it. Irriglide Pro and Irriglide Mini are patent-pending solution to address the installation struggle. This is accomplished by applying heat to an optimized depth of the tubing or pipe and to the appropriate temperature. With Irriglide Pro paired with a standard power tool battery, installation professionals can increase productivity immensely. Field personnel will apply effective techniques to streamline production using our device, saving wear and tear and exhaustion for production-oriented installations. But just as important as productivity, Irriglide can ensure that each connection that is made will be a connection that will not fail. When the heated tubing cools and shrinks back over the barbs of the connector, a robust connection is the result. You can see it clearly when you look closely at the completed connection profile. For installation contractors, saving your teams from just one go-back because of the failure of a connection will save the company well over the cost of an Irriglide device. You can rest assured that the connection will be permanent. Irriglide makes the installation of small sizes of tubing easier than you ever imagined. Micro tubings of 1/4 inch and 1/8 inch and similar sizes are installed with ease. All major brands of larger tubing like 17 millimeter or 1/2 inch nominal will work perfectly with our standard configuration. Irriglide for sprinkler head installation utilizing flex pipe or Toro's funny pipe is a game changer. It will make an almost impossible job so much easier, your installers will celebrate. And now introducing Irriglide Mini, a compact, handheld, rechargeable version of our product. The Mini is perfect for smaller jobs when extended battery life is not necessary. The Mini works just like the Pro for the same small and large tubing as the Pro. Irriglide Pro and Irriglide Mini. Finally, a solution to the struggle.